All right, hopefully you've had a chance to read through this example and give it a try. If you haven't, go ahead, pause the video and do that. All right, we're tasked with calculating the cost of this land. Okay, so we have Cupcakery. They paid $167 cash to acquire the land. Okay, so that's your original purchase price, $167. Okay, the purpose of why they are buying this land is to build a retail store. So that's its intended purpose. This land has an old service garage that had to be removed. Okay, so we couldn't use it until we got rid of that old garage at a cost. Okay, so removal had a cost of $13,000, but originally it was $15,000, but we were able to recover $2,000 of the cost by selling some materials for scrap. So we use the net of 13, additional closing costs, $10,000. Okay, add that all up. You get $190 as your total cost. So when we prepare our journal entry, it'll be land debit for $190. Sure, let's assume cash. Oh, they tell us it's cash. $190. To record purchase of land. Okay. So it was the cost of the item plus getting it ready for its intended use. Okay, so we're able to capitalize. Capitalize means place on the balance sheet. So we're able to place that total amount on the balance sheet for $190,000. All right, good work.